Hi, I'm Rachel, founder of HipMaps, and I want to quick show you some examples of how we can really help take your community events up a notch with our custom maps and our smartphone app. These can be printed, but we have an app version for those who love everything on their phones, and it can help make sure that folks know exactly where to be when for festivals. They can make sure businesses are not left out if they're off the beaten path. So whatever the occasion may be, this is a sip and stroll. We did a couple fun variations of this one. We designed these from scratch. So everyone starts with a blank slate. So we incorporate your style, your branding, and you get to choose what goes on the map. So it absolutely meets your goals, whether it's a turkey trot or it's a general downtown association map where you're highlighting small businesses. It could be a small business Saturday focused thing, whatever the case may be. It's all completely customizable. Let me show you some more examples. We design these with your branding, your styling, your goals in mind. And what they all have in common is this QR code and these simple instructions. So folks scan the QR, they download the HipMaps app with one click. There's no need to make an account. And then they enter an access code that is specific to your map. So let me pull up my phone and I'll show you our app. It's called the HipMaps app. Folks open it up and they enter in your access code. Now that's the only time you'll see the HipMaps branding. Everything else is your branding, your styling. This demo map happens to be a parks and trails map, which we also do. We make maps for all kinds of reasons. But the first thing you'll notice right here, and I'll zoom in on it, this is my real-time location. This little blue dot is key for folks who can't read a paper map because it acts just like Apple Maps and Google Maps. So as folks are exploring your area, their little blue dot is moving with them and they always know where they are in relation to what you have highlighted on your map. So it helps with planning, it helps with navigation, and it helps them really get the full experience of your event that you're putting on. And then down here at the bottom, it says click here for list and directions. This pulls up a list of everything on the map with your comment about each place. So you can tailor this to be logistics oriented if it's a festival and you want certain people to know what's going on at a certain place at a certain time, or it can be a general description of a boutique and what they are highlighting. Or if you're putting on a sip and stroll and you have a variety of businesses, that can include a little bit about the business as well as what their special is or what they're offering, hot cocoa, local wine, whatever the case may be. And when folks want to learn more, they click on the world button on the right. That pulls up the website of a place so they can check out open hours, pricing, make appointments, buy tickets, whatever the case may be. And then the button on the left pulls up directions, and this opens up in Apple Maps or Google Maps, so it's an interface that they are used to. So I would love to hop on a discovery call and brainstorm on how we can best help your community. This can also be a revenue generator for you. I look forward to chatting.